For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars, our curiosity piqued by the mysteries of the cosmos. Among those celestial wonders, Mars, the red planet, has held a special allure. Today, that dream is closer than ever. With advancements in technology, we stand on the precipice of a new era in space travel, making the journey to Mars a tangible reality.
The Accelerated Mars mission is about revolutionizing our approach to space travel.
At the heart of the AMM lies a suite of groundbreaking technologies.
From AI-optimized propulsion systems to self-healing spacecraft, the AMM reads like something straight out of science fiction.
So, buckle up as we delve into the audacious vision of the Accelerated Mars mission.
Traditional chemical rockets are limited by the amount of fuel they can carry. The AMM embraces a new generation of propulsion technology, the AI-optimized nuclear thermal propulsion system. The heart of this system is a donut-shaped nuclear reactor, maximizing heat transfer and propellant flow. This superheated propellant is then channeled through a nozzle, producing thrust that propels the spacecraft forward. From blueprint to reality, the power of 3D printing. The intricate geometry of the reactor core posed a significant hurdle for traditional manufacturing techniques. The AMM team used 3D printing to create complex, high-performance components. This alloy, designed to withstand extreme conditions, ensures the reactor's structural integrity.
Navigating the cosmic sea, a quantum leap in trajectory planning. Enter the quantum-inspired trajectory algorithm, revolutionizing space navigation. It considers countless factors and calculates the optimal trajectory with incredible speed and precision. It's like having a cosmic GPS that can see every possible route through the solar system.
Moon hopping. Leveraging gravity's helping hand. The AMM mission plans to utilize the gravitational fields of Mars' moons, Phobos and Deimos. This technique, known as a gravity assist, allows the spacecraft to shed excess velocity and slip into orbit around Mars. Moon hopping reduces fuel consumption, translating into either a shorter travel time or a larger payload capacity. The dance of gravity, a cosmic ballet of efficiency. By understanding and harnessing the fundamental forces that govern the cosmos, we can achieve feats of engineering that once seemed impossible. The quantum-inspired trajectory algorithm choreographs a celestial ballet that is both beautiful and efficient. This dance of gravity is a testament to the elegance and efficiency of nature's laws.
The AI co-pilot, a new era of space collaboration. The Accelerated Mars mission envisions a future where humans and AI work together. The AI co-pilot serves as a powerful tool, augmenting human capabilities. This AI-human hybrid control system enhances decision-making and ensures mission success.
Training for the unknown, preparing for the unexpected. Space travel is fraught with risk, demanding quick thinking and decisive action. The AMM's AI human hybrid control system shines in high-pressure scenarios. The goal is to train astronauts to think clearly under pressure and develop a seamless rapport with their AI counterpart.
The human element balancing automation with intuition. The AI co-pilot is a powerful tool, but the ultimate decision-making authority rests with the human crew. The key to the AMM's hybrid control system is finding the right balance between automation and human oversight. It's this delicate dance between human intuition and machine intelligence that forms the heart of the AMM's approach to space exploration.
Metamaterials, the stuff of science fiction, now a reality. Science fiction envisioned spacecraft hulls with magical properties, withstanding space's harshest conditions and repairing themselves. The Accelerated Mars mission is turning that fantasy into reality. Metamaterials exhibit properties not found in nature, meticulously designed at the atomic level. Imagine a material lighter than aluminum, yet stronger than steel, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and repairing itself. The AMM project is pushing the boundaries of this technology for deep space travel.
Self-healing spacecraft, a revolution in resilience. One of the most exciting applications of metamaterials in the AMM project is the development of self-healing spacecraft hulls. Imagine a spacecraft that can literally patch itself up after being struck by micrometeoroids or space debris, a technological leap that would dramatically enhance the safety and reliability of long-duration space missions. The AMM team is developing a self-healing composite material that incorporates tiny capsules filled with a special resin. These capsules are embedded throughout the spacecraft's hull, like microscopic repair crews standing by to address any damage. When a micrometeoroid or debris particle strikes the hull, the impact triggers a reaction within the capsules, causing them to rupture and release the resin. This resin, a carefully engineered polymer blend, flows into the damaged area, where it quickly hardens and seals the breach, effectively healing the hull and preventing further damage. This self-healing capability is not just a cool party trick, it's a game changer for spacecraft design. Traditional spacecraft hulls are vulnerable to even minor impacts, requiring extensive shielding and redundancy to ensure mission success. Self-healing materials, on the other hand, offer a more elegant and efficient solution, allowing for lighter, more agile spacecraft that can withstand the hazards of space travel with greater confidence.
AI-driven design, unleashing the power of simulation. Designing and developing these advanced metamaterials is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of materials science, engineering principles, and the ability to predict how materials will behave under the extreme conditions of space. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes into play. The AMM team is using AI-driven simulations to accelerate the development of new metamaterials. These simulations, run on powerful supercomputers, allow engineers to test thousands, even millions, of different material designs and configurations in a virtual environment. Imagine a digital proving ground where engineers can subject virtual materials to micrometeoroid bombardments, extreme temperatures, and intense radiation, all at the click of a button. This virtual testing ground allows engineers to identify promising designs quickly, weed out potential flaws, and optimize material properties for specific applications. The AI algorithms are not simply running pre-programmed simulations. They're learning from each iteration, identifying patterns, and suggesting new design modifications that human engineers might overlook. It's a powerful example of human-machine collaboration, where AI augments human ingenuity, accelerating the pace of discovery and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
A miniature Earth. Engineering a self-sustaining ecosystem. Imagine a spaceship that's more than just a metal can hurtling through the void. Envision a vessel that's alive, a self-contained ecosystem where plants flourish. Air and water are continuously replenished. This is the goal of the accelerated Mars mission's closed-loop life support system. Traditional spacecraft rely on finite resources, carefully rationed to sustain the crew. The AMM project envisions spacecraft generating their own oxygen, recycling water, and growing food. Inspired by Earth's biosphere, it aims to create a self-sustaining environment within a spacecraft. This shift moves from a mechanical system to a holistic, bio-integrated approach.
From waste to resource, closing the loop on life support. One of the key challenges in designing a closed-loop life support system is finding ways to recycle and repurpose every last atom. Waste, in the traditional sense, becomes a valuable resource, carefully collected, processed, and transformed into something useful. Imagine a system where the carbon dioxide exhaled by astronauts is not vented into space, but instead fed into a bioreactor, where algae or other photosynthetic organisms convert it back into breathable oxygen. Imagine wastewater being purified and reused, not just for hygiene, but also for irrigating crops grown within the spacecraft's own hydroponic gardens. Even solid waste, often seen as a logistical nightmare in space travel, becomes a valuable resource in a closed-loop system. Through composting and other biological processes, organic waste can be broken down and transformed into fertilizer for the hydroponic gardens, completing the cycle of resource utilization. This closed-loop approach not only minimizes waste, but also reduces the reliance on resupply missions from Earth, a crucial factor in enabling long-duration space travel. By closing the loop on life support, the AMM project aims to create a more sustainable and self-sufficient approach to space exploration, one that minimizes our impact on Earth while maximizing our ability to venture further into the cosmos.
The AI gardener, orchestrating a symphony of sustainability, managing the intricate interplay of biological and technological systems within a closed-loop life support system is no small feat. It requires constant monitoring, adjustment, and optimization, a task perfectly suited for the unparalleled processing power and adaptability of artificial intelligence. Enter the AI gardener, the unseen hand that orchestrates the symphony of sustainability within the AMM spacecraft. This sophisticated AI system acts as a conductor, constantly monitoring a vast array of sensors, analyzing data streams, and making micro-adjustments to maintain the delicate balance of the closed-loop ecosystem. The AI gardener keeps a watchful eye on everything from oxygen levels and water purity to nutrient concentrations in the hydroponic gardens and the growth rates of the plants themselves. It can detect even the slightest imbalances and make real-time adjustments to ensure the system remains stable and productive. But the AI gardener is more than just a glorified thermostat. It's a learning system, constantly refining its models and adapting its strategies based on the data it collects. It can identify patterns, predict potential issues, and even suggest optimizations that human operators might overlook, ensuring the long-term health and sustainability of the closed-loop ecosystem.
The journey to Mars, a new dawn in space exploration. The accelerated Mars mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore the unknown. We're not just reaching for Mars, we're reaching for a future where distance and time no longer confine our dreams. The 5 groundbreaking technologies at the heart of the AMM represent a paradigm shift in space exploration. It's a move towards elegant efficiency, leveraging nature's laws and artificial intelligence. The implications of the AMM extend far beyond Mars. These technologies could revolutionize industries on Earth, from transportation to medicine. The quest to explore Mars pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and innovation. It's about inspiring a new generation to see a future filled with limitless possibilities. Beyond the horizon, a future shaped by exploration. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of space exploration, it's important to remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. The challenges we overcome and the discoveries we make will shape our understanding of the universe and ourselves. The accelerated Mars mission is a bold step into the unknown, a testament to our collective courage and human ingenuity. Let us embrace the challenges ahead, knowing that exploring Mars is about reaching our full potential as a species. The future of space exploration is bright, and the journey has just begun. Pause 5's Beyond the Horizon. A future shaped by exploration. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of space exploration, it's important to remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. The challenges we overcome and the discoveries we make will shape our understanding of the universe and ourselves. The accelerated Mars mission is a bold step into the unknown, a testament to our collective courage and human ingenuity. Let us embrace the challenges ahead, knowing that exploring Mars is about reaching our full potential as a species. The future of space exploration is bright, and the journey has just begun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.